Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, my name is Damilare, and today I am super excited to help you kickstart your programming journey, your programming career completely for free. So whether you are looking to switch careers like me, I switched from teaching to software development, or you are looking to build your own project, or just pick up a new skill just for the fun of it, this video is for you. Yes, you. In 2024 and 2025, learning to code has never been more accessible, and I'm going to show you how to get started with one of the best free resources out there, which is called freeCodeCamp. You heard me? freeCodeCamp. So let's dive right into it. But before we go into the main details, let's talk about the why. Why should you learn programming in 2024 or 2025? Well, there are a few great reasons. First, programming skills are high in demand, and I will show you in a bit how much jobs there are in the market about programming. And they run across almost every industry, from tech to finance to healthcare and even agriculture. So whether you want to land a high-paying job or create your own startup or simply solve everyday problems more efficiently, coding can open up a world of possibilities for you. But it's not just about jobs and money. No, learning to code sharpens your problem-solving skills and boosts your creativity. So you will learn how to break down complex problems and think logically and create innovative solutions. Plus, the satisfaction of building something from scratch, whether it's a simple website, a mobile application, or a data-driven tool, it is truly rewarding. I can tell you, as a full-stack software developer, it is truly rewarding. And the best part, you don't even need a degree or expensive courses to get started. With the right resources and a bit of determination and correct information that I'm going to be sharing with you in this video, anyone can learn to code. And that's exactly what I'll be showing you today. So please stay with me till the end of the video. So now that you know why learning programming is important, let's talk about how you can actually get started without spending a dime. There are plenty of free resources out there, but today I want to focus on one of the best, that is freeCodeCamp. freeCodeCamp is an incredible platform designed to help you learn to code from scratch. You heard it, from scratch. It's perfect for beginners and offers a structured curriculum that takes you through everything you need to know, from HTML and CSS to more advanced like JavaScript, Python, and even data science. The best part? It's completely free, and you can learn at your own pace. But that's not all. While freeCodeCamp will be the main focus of this video, it's worth mentioning that there are other great free resources too. Platforms like Codecademy, Khan Academy, and Coursera, they offer free courses that can supplement your learning. However, in my experience, freeCodeCamp stands out because of its hands-on approach and supportive community, which makes it easier to stay motivated and actually finish what you start. So, if you are ready to dive into the world of programming, freeCodeCamp is where I recommend you begin. And in the next section, I will show you exactly how freeCodeCamp works and how you can make the most of it. Let's go. So, I want to show you exactly how you can get started on freeCodeCamp and maybe take 1 or 2 lessons with you and see how easy it is for you to start, how they have made it to be so easy. Now, this is your browser. Just open your browser and just type freeCodeCamp here, freeCodeCamp. We type it, press enter on Google or any search engine of your choice. The name will float on top here. So click on this first one, and when you click it, it will open for you like this page that is about to open now. You will need to sign up with your email address. So if you have forgotten your email address, please get it ready. You can read through what they have on the page, testimonials of those that have read there, that have studied at freeCodeCamp, that are now working in big places. But the button you are interested in is this button that says Get Started. So you click on this Get Started button, and when you click it, it's going to load here, bring you here. You will just scroll down and click on You don't have an account yet, sign up. So you click on sign up, and then it opens this box again. And this is where you want to start. Is that you continue with your Google address, your Gmail, or you enter your email address here. So I'll be using an email address, and you can, of course, you can use your Google Mail. So I'll be copying my email address now so that I can use it there. I'll paste it right here, right now, and then I will say continue with email. And then they have sent a code to my email that I need to go and get and put in here. So I'll go into my inbox now and get my email, my code that was sent in to me. I'll just do Ctrl V. 238176 was the code sent to me. It will be different for you. Just copy that code and paste it in. It will be 6-digit code. So and click on continue, and then you wait, and then you will automatically be logged in into your account where you can begin to study. Success, you have signed into your account. Happy coding. That's how they greet here. They say happy coding. You can read all this one if you and if you want him to be, if you want the leader of freeCodeCamp to be sending you mails every Friday, you can click on this yes please, so that you can be having mails every weekend about programming. But ultimately, this is where you want to come. You want to come to menu here and click on curriculum. Click on curriculum, it opens the curriculum for you. Now, the first one, the way the curriculum is designed, you're supposed to follow it the way it has been designed. So you first of all take responsive web design, then you take JavaScript algorithms, then you take front-end development, and so on and so forth until you become a guru that you come to number 12. But for now, we're focusing on number 1 because you are just starting. So you click on the first one, responsive web design, and then it will open it up for you. Remember, this is your account. So your account is here for you. Your account is here. This is your account here. So don't forget, you come to curriculum, and then you click on responsive web design, and then the courses are here. So you have about 1, 2, 3, 4 to cover. Then you have a project that you have to do to finish that section. So this is the first section, this is the second section, and then this is the project for that section. And then we have the third section here with the project for that section. Then we have the fourth section here with the project for that section. Then we have the fifth section with the project for that section. And once you are done with those five sections, you can always claim your certificate using this button. So how do you start? Just start by starting. So click on the first lesson, which is this one, and say start project. They are very, very easy. So you say click on start project. When you click on start project, it brings you here. Then here is a preview of what you will build. So it's trying to show you at the end of this module what you are going to be building. This is what it's going to look like. So they will be telling you exactly what to do each time to be able to build this application that you are seeing now. So you just say start coding. And after start coding, it gives you this window. On the left, you have your index.html, and on the right, you have the preview window where you can see exactly what you are writing on the right. So here they are explaining something. They said step 1, HTML elements have an opening and closing tag with content in between. Here is the basic syntax. Here is the basic syntax. There will be an opening tag, then there will be a closing tag. You read it and then you put you put your text inside, in between the opening and closing. So after you are done, you will go and read the exercise for that particular segment. It says when you are done, press the check your code button to see if it's correct. What is correct? Change the text of the H1 element below from hello world to cat photo app. So it's better to just copy it like this. Just copy. I'm going to copy it and I'll paste it where they want me to replace it inside hello world. I'm going to delete that one and paste this one inside it. So after I do that, you see that the preview shows what is happening immediately. Then I will say check your code. Check your code. And then if it's correct, it's going to check it. And if it's correct, you are ready to move on to the next one by saying submit and go to the next. You have done one out of like 50 something lessons that you have in that module. As simple as that. So they take you one step at a time, and then you keep on learning, and then you keep on learning. Assuming, so let me click on next now. Assuming you face a challenge at some point, because it's going to get a bit harder at some point. So maybe you are unable to get the answer. There is community support. How do you get it? Let me see what they ask you to do here. They said, only use one H1 element per page and place lower importance headings below higher importance headings. Below the H1 element, add an H2 element with this text, cat photos. So below this H1, they want me to bring in H2 element. So I'm going to create the H2 tag, opening, then I'll do the closing also. like that. And then in between them, I'm going to put the text they want me to put. They want me to put cat photos, but I'm going to make a mistake deliberately so that you will see what it looks like. So cat and then photos. I will not put photos. I'm going to be putting photo there so that it will not accept it. So I will click on check your code, and then it will say, sorry, your code does not pass. Keep trying. And then you click on check your code again. It will say sorry again. Check your code again. It will say sorry. And then at the third time that you are not getting it, it's going to give you this option called help. So you will click on this help, and then it will come here. It will say, if you've already tried the reach search ask method, if you don't know what it means, you can click on this link and read it up. Then you can ask for help on the freeCodeCamp forum. So before making a new post, check if your question has already been answered on the forum. So you click on this, definitely your question would have been answered, because a lot of people have been doing this and they have all been having the same question, the same problem you're having right now. So you click on this link, and then it opens for you a link where you can see the answers that were given to that same problem you were having on that particular question before now. And after it finishes opening up, you will read through which of them talks about your problem that you are having. You want to see the correct answer to that one, so just click any one of them. Click this first one, for example. Step 2 is what we want to see. And then it will open for you. And by the time you read through what they have said on this page, you will actually know what to do, what is wrong with your own code. Why is it not working? Why is it not working? This is the code that this person is having. You already know why this one is not working. This person does not have opening tag. You will see the suggestion that was given to this person to be able to solve the problem, and then you can follow that one too and then solve your problem. And that is how you begin to move from one step to the other until you finish the course. And then when you finish the course, you get your certificate. I am here to support you every step of the way. If there is any point that you're having problem with, please put it in the comment box. I will definitely provide answers for you. I am available to support you through your learning journey or career switch journey, because I was there and I know how it feels. So please, I am available. Put your comment in the comment section below if you have any question trying to get any of the steps at all. I will definitely respond. All right. Now that you've got the resources, let's talk about how to make the most of them. I'll just be giving you a few tips to help you succeed on your programming journey. Number 1, consistency. It is key. You set aside a regular time each day, even if it's just 30 minutes, to practice coding. It is better to code a little every day than to cram it all at once. Second thing that you have to do is focus. Focus on project-based learning. As you go through freeCodeCamp, you will notice a lot of hands-on projects. These aren't just for practice. Actually, they are your opportunity to apply what you've learned and build a portfolio that you can showcase to potential employers or clients. And lastly, don't do it alone. Join a community, whether it's the freeCodeCamp forum, local coding groups, or even an online study buddy. I'm one of your online study buddy. You can always reach out to me. And having people to share your progress with and ask questions will keep you motivated and make learning more fun. You will agree with me, right? Remember, learning code is a marathon and it is not a sprint at all. So stay patient, keep coding, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve in a little time. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe to the channel for more content like this. I would love to hear about your programming journey. So drop a comment for me below, sharing your progress or any questions you have. I'm here to help. And if you are just getting started, let me know what your first coding goal is. Remember, we are all in this together, and your feedback helps me create videos that better serve your needs. So hit that subscribe button and let's keep learning and growing together. Subscribe now, please. Subscribe. Until I see you next time, I leave you in the hands of God, who is able to keep you from falling. Remember that the sky is not your limit. God is. Happy coding, and I'm rooting for you. Keep on coding and don't ever stop. Bye-bye.